ways. And I'm going to do is a little exam using this needles and not like squeeze anything out yet, because we are going to do a little quick exam. And if you feel any scratchy, you are going to squeeze just a little bit in. So then this is a little bit of the Precision Glue Gel. We'll go in and seal all the gap and the edges that haven't been completely filled with the condensed glue gels and no wet top coat in earlier when we applied it on. Just sometimes it just means it the spot because of the curve, the structure, the C curve of the nails. And I'm gonna did around with the nails. I'm gonna make sure they are going to stay really tight together. All the Pixies really connecting well together. But if you feel any gap, don't hesitate to just squeeze a little bit in the spot, so then that way it will seal completely your Diamond Dust Pixie design. So now we're ready. We're gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. You know what? I'm gonna seal before that. I'm gonna seal all this pearl. Oh, hold on. Close this. Because if you need a bigger, like a more, if you need more Precision Glue Gel, just more than it just like in Precision needles, we are going to using the other end and seals all the pearl. Crystal, I'll leave it alone. You don't want to destroy this cut and the facets of the crystal. So I'm go ahead and close the brush end and use the needle end, and I'm gonna give a little quick. If you see that if I do a little quick exam, I don't squeeze anything out yet, and then I start feeling right here scratchy, I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit. See that how much it is? And then you can definitely do it again as you feel like it's scratchy, and you can do it Again, if you ask me on one item you want to get to doing a perfect crystal design, which is the Trifecta, Crystal Trifecta, you will never go wrong with it. It have the condensed glue gel, and it's compatible with our top coat to keep all your crystal charm chains and all the beads and frames stay in one place. Great. Seals the beads and the frame, but not the crystal. Cure for 60 seconds. And close the red cap. Okay. Here is the final look. This looks really cool. It's super simple. All right.